Okay, y'all. Tuesday, March 1st. Triangle proportionality theorem. Given a triangle and a line parallel to one side that intersects the other two sides are separated into segments that are of proportional length. Okay? So basically, what they are telling you, here's the triangle. You've got the parallel sides, so these are proportional. So we could do 4 is to x as 3 is to 5. Small to small, large part to part. Okay, so 3x equals 20. So x is, my brain's failing, 6, 7, 6 2/3, 6.67. Okay, I want to test. 4 is to 3 is 4 plus x is to 3 plus 5. 12 plus 3x equals 32. 3x equals. Yep, that works. Okay, so that's it. Okay, some of you had started doing that, but I said we hadn't, or in Colby's class, 7th period, Colby was wanting to do this. Maybe some others of y'all had thought about it, but I told you we hadn't gotten to that rule yet. So that's why I hesitated to do it that way. All right, so here, x plus 3 is to 4 as x plus 4 is to 5. So 5x plus 15 equals 4x plus 16. So minus 4x minus 15. So x equals 1. Okay. Let's do another one. Okay, the converse of the theorem says if the line intersects two sides of a triangle such that the two sides that are separated into corresponding segments of proportion length, then the line is parallel. So basically they're saying tell if these two sides right here are parallel or not based on whether or not these are proportional. So 5 is to 6 as, 5 is to 3 as 6 is to 4. So we get 20 to 18. So they're not parallel. Remember, the symbol is the two tall lines. Okay, what must be the value of x so that they are parallel? So we want this to work, so we have to find that. So 10 is to 7 as x plus 2 is to 4. 7x plus 14 equals 40. Minus 14. 3 minus 1 is 26, I believe. Minus 14, 26, and we divide that by 7. So we get 3.71 to make these lines be parallel. Okay. All right, so the assignment. Use this drawing. So ST is to TP as SR is to RQ. RS so we have RS here and we have RQ there. So TS and then TP. TS is to RS as TP is to RQ. That works. So TS. Okay. SQ, the whole thing, is to RQ, the bottom part, as SP is to TP, the bottom part. The whole thing versus the bottom part. The whole thing versus the bottom part. TP, the bottom part, is to something as SP is to SQ. So SP is the whole thing, SQ is the whole thing. So TP to RQ. Okay. Use this drawing for problems 5 through 8 and find the missing element in each proportion. FJ, this right here, is to JI as FG is to GH. Something is to FI as GH is to JI. GH, JI. And then we have FI. So it's got to be FH. Okay, FI is the whole thing right here. Okay, so FH is to FI as GH is to JI. Okay, so we got that. All right, GH is to JI, so these bottom parts, as something is to FJ. So this has to be FG. This is to that. Okay, FI, the whole thing, is to something, as FJ is to FG. Well, these are the two small parts, so this must be FH. Okay. Find the value of x. 14 is to 4 as x is to 3 for x equals 42. So x is 10.5. Okay, 5 is to x plus 1 as 7 is to x plus 2. So 5x plus 10 equals 7x plus 7 minus 5x minus 7. So 2x equals 3. So x is 1.5. Okay, x plus 6 is to x as 60 is to 10. 10x plus 60 equals 60x minus 10x. So 50x equals 60. So 6 over 5 or 1.2, I believe it is. Okay, 10 is to 4 as 21 is to x. 10x equals 84. So x is 8.4. Okay, 4 is to 7 as 12 is to 21. Determine if it's parallel. So if my cross products are the same, then it's parallel. So 4 times 21, I think we just said was 84. And 7 times 12, I believe, is 84. So AB is parallel to EC. Yes. Okay. 20 is to 35 as 22 is to 37 times 22, 770, and then 20 times 37, 740. So not parallel. Okay. What is the value so that it would be? So we just need to find it. 16 is to 14 as x plus 1 is to x. Two x equals 14, so x needs to be 7 in order for the lines to be, for these two lines right here to be parallel. Okay, if BD is 20, so the whole thing is 20, what does the value of x have to be? Oh, these are the same. So these are same. That really means this is 10 and that's 10. Okay, so 1/2 x plus 3 is to x plus 2 as 10 is to 10. Half times 10 is 5x. 10 times 3 plus 30. 10x plus 2 minus 5x minus 2. So to make this one parallel to that one, we would have to have 5.6 for x. Okay, so there's that. Did I get this mixed up? I guess not. Do I have two assignments? Oh, aren't I special? Okay, so that needs to come off. All right, so there's that. That's Tuesday stuff. 3-1.